Hello again, everybody. Jay Hoofy here. Got another quick review and an unboxing of a condenser microphone. This is a video mic to put with a DSLR or a camcorder. So I'll go ahead and get to the unboxing. First off, that's what she looks like, the box that it comes in. And these can be purchased right now on Amazon for just $9.99. They're normally $15.99, and they are on sale right now, and hopefully it will prove to be a good deal. So, alright, here goes your shotgun style mic. It is Emiral. The model number is MIC-03. It does come in a metal casing. Obviously has the wind filter. It does have a 10 decibel adjustment on it, or the normal setting of 0 decibels. Let's see, it looks like it includes a battery, and it looks like there's some paperwork, probably just instructions and whatnot in there as well. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Quick and easy. I'm going to take a listen to her and give you my opinion on its audio quality next. Okay, so I just took a listen to some recordings that I did with the Emiral microphone, and you are listening to the Emiral right now. I do have the decibels boosted up 10 as the setting allows on it. And from what I listened to, the voice and some acoustic guitar, I was pleasantly surprised with the quality of the recordings. It was definitely better than any of the built-in mics on any of my camcorders, action cams, whatnot. So it's an improvement there if that's what you're looking for. You know, is it as good as a professional setup? No, but that's not to be expected. For $10, it does fit the spot. It suffices. So pick you one up if you need one. Like I said, they're about $10 on Amazon. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you.